Hi, today I'm with me Galaxy A14 and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to connections section. Here you'll see NFC and contactless payment switcher. Just to activate or to turn off this option, we should use this switcher. Also get one more way how we can do that. Just open the control panel and here you should find the NFC icon. If you don't see this icon here, click to this plus icon and on this here the up section you will see NFC option. Just hold it and drag it to your panel, then tap to done, and now we can see that we just successfully added the NFC icon to our panel. So by this way, just by click on this icon we can turn it on or turn it off. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.